Y'all know you're in for a good video when I start off shooting the fake non-subscribers. Nah, I'm just playing, guys. I wanted to show you guys all the ingredients you're gonna need for today. So we're probably gonna need some jalapeno chips, a tomato, bell pepper. It doesn't really matter what color, I just like red. You're gonna need a jalapeno. You need a couple eggs. You don't need a dozen, but I just need some. You're gonna need some green onions too. You're gonna need a box of mac and cheese. You're gonna need some breadcrumbs and some flour too. That's gonna be for making mac and cheese balls later. And you're also gonna need some cheese. And I like to get some salsa, so today I switched up. Got a new kind. And y'all might need some sriracha, but you probably got that in the pantry. Next up, first thing we're gonna do, wash our hands. Y'all know the deal. Get some hot water running. Get some good soap. Y'all gotta just lather them bad boys up. You also need to get a pot of hot water because we're gonna start to boil the mac and cheese right now. So I got my favorite handy dandy trusty pot. Y'all want to fill it up about halfway, you know. At the halfway point, y'all want to cut the water off, throw it on the burner, max hotness, like as hot as it can be. Y'all want this water boiling quick so we can start making the mac and cheese. Y'all, I had to take my sweatshirt off. It was just getting way too hot in here, and y'all know I'm about to turn up the heat too. So now that we got the water starting to boil, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start chopping these bad boys up, right? Like, see, if you come across me, boom. Get my biggest cutting board, because I'm a big boy. And I'm gonna grab all the vegetables from earlier. I'm gonna give them a nice little rinse first before I use them. And I'm just gonna use the green onions I have in my fridge first before I use these, but like I said, if y'all bought these, then y'all use them. So, got these. These ones are looking a little sad, so I'll probably end up using some of both, honestly. Alright, so, first thing I'm gonna cut. Whoa! My little book stand to hold up my iPhone 7 fell down. I wanted to show you guys what the prep work looks like. We got the red peppers, we got the jalapenos, we got the tomato, we got the green onion, and now the water is boiling. So you know I'm about to just freaking rip this open, rip open the mac and cheese box. You know. All right, sorry that the camera's covered there for low-key a little bit. Fuck. Y'all can't see this, but there is a little bit of cardboard that seeped in, and I am not cooking that. So if there is cardboard, y'all need to take that out. Y'all, so it's been a couple of minutes, and I've tasted, and y'all kind of want to just taste for it. It's still a little bit chewy, but not exactly done yet. So we're going to actually throw in the red peppers, and we're going to throw in the jalapenos right now. So that's definitely going to turn up the heat and flavor profile, and it's going to be amazing. Ah! Shit. You don't want to touch the stove with your hand, man. That's how you burn. I'm just going to mix that. We're going to leave it in for like a couple more minutes, and I'm about to strain this bad boy. So I'm just going to take that, drain out all that hot water. Ah! Alright, I don't think we lost any noodles or peppers or anything like that, so we're doing pretty well. I'm going to take this pantry butter. Maybe y'all got this at your house, maybe you don't. Maybe I'm just weird. But we're going to cut like 1-ish tablespoon. I don't know what. Like that much butter. Just going to throw that in there. I'm also going to throw in a little cheese sauce packet that comes with it. Sheesh. Lastly, I'm going to throw in this little excess cheese I got. I just had that sit in the fridge. Wanted to use it, make some use of the ingredients I got. But I ain't done yet. We got the salsa. So you ever see like on mac and cheese boxes, they say like, oh, add milk. Well, I think milk is pretty freaking disgusting most of the time. So instead of putting a tablespoon or 2 of milk, we're just gonna throw 1 or 2 spoons of salsa in the mix. Boom. So now if you're lame, I'm gonna show you how to garnish this up as is. So I'm gonna take a spoonful or a couple of spoonfuls of the mac and cheese. You're gonna throw that in there. You're gonna throw some tomatoes on. You're gonna throw some green onions in there. You're gonna mix it up. And we ain't done yet. We're gonna take a little bit, so we're crushing up a little jalapeno chip. And now, this right here, this is where I'm about to take it to the next level. I'm about to throw in the sriracha. If y'all don't like hot stuff, you ain't got to do that, but. Then we're going to mix everything up. The jalapeno chips, the mac and cheese, you know, the tomatoes, the green onion. Y'all gotta try this. But again, we ain't done yet. We still got more stuff to do. This tray of mac and cheese balls that I put out here in the little cupcake trays. Oh, frick. I might have to find some space real quick. Y'all get to see everything, man. The struggles, the highs, the lows of cooking. And I'd say throw those bad boys in there for like 30 minutes, you know. So, I'll come back to you guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit with how to finish these up. Guys, well, I got the mac and cheese in the freezer. I'm going to teach you guys how to make stuff to basically fry and bread things. So first off, we're going to make the egg wash. And for that, we're just going to crack 2 eggs. Obviously, you don't want any egg whites, or sorry, egg yolk. Or wait, eggshell? Yeah, eggshell. Boom. That's 2 eggs. Then you want to take a fork. You just kind of want to mix it up, break the yolk. Next up, you're going to fill the next bowl about halfway with just some all-purpose flour. Which is just plain breadcrumbs. We're going to do about half of that. And then we're going to do another half mixture of the jalapeno chips. What it should look like. On the left we have the flour. In the middle we have the whisked egg wash. And on the right we have a mix of panko and jalapeno chips crushed up. Alright, y'all. So I just took the mac and cheese out the freezer. And we're going to start making them bad boys. And the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to throw it in my air fryer. But if you guys don't have an air fryer, I would say set your oven to like 400 degrees and maybe cook it like 8 to 10 minutes. So first off, you get the mac and cheese ball. Then you want to roll it around in the flour. Then next, you roll it around in a little egg wash. And then lastly, you want to roll it around in the panko and jalapeno chip mixture. And then boom, that's 1 down. So then we gotta do this 6 more times. I know what they should look like right now. And y'all need to just trust the process. But I'm gonna take that, I'm gonna put that in my air fryer. I'm gonna hit this bad boy, turn up to 400, maybe like 10 minutes like I think. Alright, next I'm gonna teach you guys how to make sriracha. Pretty easy, it's just 50-50 ranch and sriracha. We're gonna take the ranch I got in my fridge, you know, shake it up, make sure it's real nice and mixed up. I'm gonna throw about. So there you go. Fill that up. Get a little spoon. Mix it together. Yeah, so it's been about 5 minutes, and you know, fuck it. I might not even flip some of these bad boys. Some I probably can, like that one. Or oh, they're falling apart. Fuck, guys. All right. I know this doesn't look good. A few of them have fallen apart. You know, I probably should have left them in the freezer longer. That's my bad, but I'm going to show you how we turn it up now. we're just gonna sprinkle a little cheese on top. All right, y'all, it's been 10 minutes total. Oh my God, I'm so nasty with the cooking. So, that shit bussin'. All right, I'm gonna teach y'all how to do a garnish now. So, you wanna get this spoonful of sauce, and you just wanna like take this and just like that. Ooh! I kind of fucked up there, but like you want it to be more like that. You know, I'll probably just hit mine with just a little bit drizzled on the top. I don't give a frick about nothing. He be like an artist in the kitchen, huh? And then you just want to hit this bad boy with some tomatoes, some green onion, shit, maybe a little more cheese or some butter if you're really wild. But, you know, I'm just going to leave mine like this because, like, let me just cut into this and show y'all what it looks like. Man, look at that perfect mac and cheese. Y'all know you wish you could be eating this right now. I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And if you subscribe, man, I'm going to get some sparklers in a couple days. So I will light a sparkler for you. So, yeah, keep it real, y'all. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. Stay blessed.